If you're into jaw-dropping action, this video is for you. The roar of engines, the crack of splitting wood, and towering trees crashing down in the blink of an eye, it's all here. Logging has never looked this epic. This video drives home a critical message. Proper safety gear and constant awareness aren't optional. They're essential when felling trees. One mistake can cost a life. They looked solid, like they knew exactly what they were doing. But then, bam, something slammed into everything. Oh man, did I just wreck it? I hope not. They took the legendary 5710C, gutted it, and upgraded it with a beastly 150 horsepower Cat Tier 4i engine. Now it's the 5710D, slicing through the hardest materials with zero effort. Still got the top tier features too, like that awesome optional towing dolly for easy hauls, smart system, remote controlled, the whole deal. First off, let's talk about who's behind the controls. Now that's a textbook reason why some jobs are best left to the experts. Yeah, it looks crazy, but don't worry, it's all part of the plan. These guys have it figured out to the inch. Just watch him pull it off like it's no big deal. I feel the same. Trees can be sneaky hazards, and the moment you drop your guard, things can go south fast. This duo, Kamasu 931XC and the C144 Harvester Head, is a real game changer. 255 horsepower means brute strength, and with a cab that swivels 180 degrees, the operators got full visibility and control. The C144 doesn't just chew through trees, it does it smart, keeping both the forest and the job site in top shape. That's the future of logging right there. Forget the hassle of traditional stump removal. Premier's stump drill is here to do the job smarter, not harder. It's clean, quiet, and gets the job done without breaking your back or your wallet. What a beauty. The 1947 Ford 2N shows that old-school American build quality still gets the job done. That flathead motor keeps the torque steady, and when you've got your chains tight and safety gear on, it's game over for any stump. Man, that was one brutal climb. You could almost feel the pressure on that Mechiar 600. But hey, that's what the D5 Dozer is made for. Stepping in and getting the job done. It's all about teamwork. The Pila 38 Pro doesn't mess around. 10 tons of raw splitting power and an AC-10 system that keeps the chain tight without the hassle. It's like the ultimate teammate when you're busting through hardwood all day long. Let's be honest. After seeing what they did, there's no way I'd bring them back. What a waste of time. Gentlemen, it's go time. We've got a heavyweight chainsaw championship on our hands. Steel MS661 versus the fierce MS500i. These bad boys are revving up, and only one will slice their way to glory. In today's high-tech, automated world, there's something raw and awe-inspiring about those massive logging trucks conquering the wild. It's a reminder of pure grit and human craftsmanship. Before you drop a tree, you need to read it like a map. Internal stress, built up over years, can snap back with brutal force if ignored. Understanding that hidden tension isn't optional, it's survival. They say everything flows like a river. Yeah, sure. Not if you're the guy holding the camera. Need raw power, precision, non-stop performance? The PTH 1300/15M answers the call, armed with 1,150 horsepower of Caterpillar muscle. Churn out 400 cubic meters of perfect chips every hour. With the push of a button, you're in total control. This DIY wood-splitting contraption is nothing short of genius. A harem cult motor spinning at 1000 RPM, parositva egi harminketo sebeseg valtoval, żerniu pneumatekot ad. With a 320mm pulley and an 85mm force amplifier, it slices through dense logs like butter. Plug it into a regular 220-volt socket, and you're ready to roll. Raw power, right from your garage. Drop a comment if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels the fire behind every machine we build and every story we tell. This 56-inch beast has been cutting wood for over half a century, and it's still a force to reckon with. No hesitation, no slowdown, just raw power as it chews through a 14-foot cottonwood log 33 inches thick. This isn't just a tool, it's a legacy in motion. In just 3 minutes, a tree that's taken decades to grow comes crashing down. It's not just about power, it's about perspective. This video is a tribute to the forest and to the skill of the loggers who work with it, not against it. Imagine turning heavy logs into perfect firewood with zero effort. Just flip the switch. That's the power of the Bell 8000 disc saw. With 125 horsepower of electric muscle, it cuts like a pro, stacks like a dream. In forestry, speed isn't everything, and any seasoned logger knows it. The true strength of the AI-powered RT-800 Raptor lies in its sustainable mindset, returning stumps to the earth, restoring balance, and building forests that last for generations. The Cat 323 delivers more than muscle. It delivers veteran-level efficiency. Its 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine and powerful digging arm make light work of even the toughest excavation tasks. Designed for durability and uptime, this excavator keeps your operation running at peak performance, day after day.